Hi guys, so today I'll show you how to turn that's your picture into video using Google View 3. So this is Google AI Studio. Just come up here in case this is new to you, and it's totally free. In case this is new to you, just come up here and type Google AI Studio, and then boom, it takes you from here, takes you and brings you to Google AI Studio. And inside here we have different options. We have animate an image, which is with Google View 3. And if you want to see the other options that are available in Google Studio, just click on Home, and we have different types. We have Nano Banana, we have Google View 3, we have Try the URL context test. We have these tools that are free. So basically, what we want to do is to create your image or turn it into talking video. So, for example, if you don't have an image that you want to use, that is no problem. So, what we can do is we can create an image you want to use, and then we take it to video to turn it into picture first. Then we create the picture into video. So, right about now, let's dive in. So, we'll be using Nano Banana to generate our image, and I'll click on it. It comes here. We need a character, so all you just need to do, you can just come up here, come to you can just type African female, or let me just say African, a Yoruba man, a Yoruba teenager. So what we're looking for is we want to use reference image. So these are various images, and I think I love this lady. Okay, this lady is okay. So we save it and forget about the old shenanigan. So we save it, and then now we come back to our AI studio here. So up here, and then we'll upload this. We want to use it as a reference to generate an image. Do you understand? So we come here, and then she's right here. I click on it, and then it uploads. So I can just say analyze this image and generates a text to image prompt for me. So I'll pre control enter, and then it loads. Google Gemini sometimes, so we have it has given us the explanation. Guys, make sure you read your prompt. It is very, very important. Read it word for word. This is the mistake a lot of people make. So a Nigerian woman in traditional attire is captured in a studio portrait. She wears a vibrant pattern ashoke fabric, which is what she's wearing here, and bracelet in her hand. She holds a light colored whisk like object, possibly an irukere or still whisk, and she's smiling warmly at the camera. So here's a prompt: a studio portrait of a smiling Nigerian woman in a traditional shoke attire featuring a gele head wrap and a pattern, blah blah blah. All right, all Swiss in the hand. So this is what we want to use, right? So I'll copy this, and then I'll paste it here. I'll paste it here. So I'll click on, I'll tell it generate an image of a studio portrait of a smiling. So if there's anything you want to change, if it's a man, you change it to a man. Be imaginative with what you want. So I'll come to my aspect ratio. This is very important anytime you want to generate any AI image. So aspect ratio is the size and orientation that you want. So get familiar with aspect ratio. So 916 is the vertical, which is your phone size or TikTok reel or Instagram reel. 1619 is the landscape one, which is for YouTube, for your laptop, and talk real size, which is 916. So I'll come in, and yeah, we have everything one. So I'll click on run, and then we'll wait for it to load. Is up to you. So we have we have perfect. So we have our image now, and all we need to do is we save this, download, and then we save it here. And after we save it, we're now going to turn this into a video. So if you have your own picture already, don't worry. I did this process so that the people that don't have a picture they want to use can be able to generate a picture that they will use. View 3. So just come here and click flow Flow TV or something. So because I'm here, that's why, because I use this often, that's why it's here. So yeah, Flow TV, and then I click it. So it takes you to your Flow TV. So if this is your first time here, you have to do some checking and sign up and all of that. So this, I'll come here and I'll click on new project, and then it brings me here. So what we want to do is we want to turn our image into a video. So in Google View 3, there are three different options. There's text to video, there's frame to video, there's ingredient to video. Text to video is you just basically bring a text in here, you describe what you want for what you want to generate, and then Google AI model, just View 3 model, will just generate it for you. While frame to video is what we'll be using. This is where you can add your picture, and then you can generate what you want. So in my next tutorial, I'll show you how you can generate consistent scenes using frame to frame. But what we want to achieve here is, first of all, know how to generate image with just your photo. So we come here and we click add, and then it brings this icon up. So these are images these are things that I've worked on. So I'll come here and click on upload that, and then you click here, and then now you see the size it brought. You come here and you click here and you change it to portrait, and then it has given us the orientation. So I intentionally left these here because I'm using Google View 3 or Gemini free app. So it's not an advert. I just want to leave it there just like that. Basically, so this is where we are. So what do we want our lady to do? Basically, I want her to speak English. All right, so let's go with ChatGPT. So I love speech. Hi GPT, I want you to help me create a text to video prompt for a Nigerian lady wearing a traditional attire, and I want her to walk forward and with a smile, and I want her to say, you know what, hello, welcome to the land of Lagos State, the state of excellence. Join me as I take you on a tour of some of our traditions and heritage here. So I click it, and then I wait for it to load. So while this is loading, you just translate this to text for you instead of typing. So let me create it. Help me create a text video from a Nigerian lady wearing a traditional attire, and I want her to walk forward and with a smile. I want her to say, you know what, hello, welcome to the land of Lagos State, the state of excellence. Join me as I take you on a tour of some of our traditions and heritage. So I'll click here. Now this is text to video prompt. So that I won't be over generating, I'll just say tailored for view 3. So I'll click on enter, and then I wait for it. So now it has given me this. So okay, I'll copy this, and I'll come back into Flow, and then we'll paste it inside here. So the same thing there. So I said we don't want market, we want colorful festival. The camera performs a grade. Yeah, so all these are okay. Now we have different models that Google release. So for now, these are to always go for fast. So it depends. So this is the size, we already selected it, and then the number of prompts, the number of video that you want per prompt. So if it is 2 video you want it to generate for this, you select 2. If it is 3, you select. If it is 4, you select. But for the sake of if you don't have much credits, always stick to 1. So we click on 1, and then we are good to go. So we come here and we hit generate. So these are the things that you'll be doing. Is more of creative thinking. I will show you how to do frame to frame in my next tutorial. So we have our again. So let's come here and play.
Hello, welcome to the land of Lagos State, the state of excellence. Join me as I take you on a tour of some of our traditions and heritage here. Hello. Hello, welcome to the
Now,
land of
you see
Lagos
the
State, the
difference?
state of excellence.
That is
Join
how
me
it
as I
is
take
done,
you on a
alright?
tour of some of our traditions and heritage here. Hello, welcome to the land of Lagos State, the state of excellence. Join me as I take you on a tour of some of our traditions and heritage here.